We are going to look at how to invest 1000 dirhams in the United Arab Emirates in this video. We have produced a list of 5 simple ways for investing your wealth, whether you are thinking about investing in real estate or buying Tesla stock. We will talk about returns, explain what ETFs are. Don't worry, we will keep it basic, and even discuss using our Robo advisor to handle all the work for you. Are you interested? Click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Now let's see how to make your spare 1000 dirhams work wonders. Have you ever heard of fractional share investing? Let's see how it works. It is possible to own a small piece of highly valued stock without spending a lot of money by investing in fractional shares. You can take an example of like you are buying a pastry instead of buying a whole cake. So you can enjoy the taste of the cake without spending too much. It's the same in fractional share investing. It's like splitting down the cost of a single share into smaller, more manageable bits. Fractional shares allows you to invest in high value firms like Tesla, Google, Microsoft or Apple without spending a lot of money. Interesting? Yes, it is. And that's the reason that fractional share investing is becoming very popular. For fractional share trading, you can consider platforms like eToro, Revolt and SogoTrade. And what are the advantages? Fractional shares are affordable and they allow you to diversify. This means you can distribute your investment across numerous high value stocks, and as a result, you will reduce your risk. Fractional shares offer an excellent way to start investing, as you can start to invest without needing a large sum of money. This makes it a great option even if your starting capital is limited. So what are the considerations? You have to be aware of any fees associated with the platform you choose. Some of them may charge fees for transactions or handling. Choose a broker you can trust that fits your needs and has clear fees. Number 2 option is micro real estate investing. How it works? Micro real estate investing is a new method to get into real estate without making large down payments. Investors use crowdfunding sites like Stake or smartcrowd to pool their resources and jointly invest in properties. Each investor becomes a partial owner and they share in the property's returns. Cool? You can consider smartcrowd and Stake website for micro real estate investing. The interesting thing about micro real estate investing is it lets you own real estate without having to deal with the problems that come with managing your own property. Sharing ownership lowers risk, lets you spread your money out over more than one property. But it is also important to be aware of the platform fees, including acquisition fee, yearly administration fees, and exit fees. This type of investment also gives you a way to get into real estate, but it is not as liquid as other investments are, and you might have to wait a while to get your money back in case you want it back. If you are still watching this video, please like and subscribe for more interesting money making and passive income ideas. Dividend stocks. Number 3rd option is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are special because business share profits directly with shareholders. When you own dividend stocks, you get regular payments, which can be cash or more shares. This gives you a steady stream of income. eToro and interactive brokers are good options for dividend stock investing. Let's talk about the benefits of dividend stock. Besides the chance to make money, dividends can show how well a company is doing financially. If you want to be more focused on income, investing in companies that have a past of stable dividends is often a good idea. Considerations with dividend stocks. It's critical to assess a company's capacity to continue paying dividends. Cash flow and other factors like financial stability are important. Dividends provide income, but they are not guaranteed and may change. Exchange traded fund ETFs. How it works? ETFs make diversification easier by combining multiple assets like stocks, bonds, or commodities into a single investment. When you buy a share in an ETF, you are gaining exposure to a diversified portfolio without having to choose particular stocks. Interactive broker is a good choice for ETF trading in UAE. Also consider Sarwa app. The basic advantage of ETFs is, which makes it very popular, is that it reduces the risk. They provide cost-effective access to various assets. ETFs are easy for investors of all budgets to use because they have low cost ratios and often no trading fees. So if you are new at investing, ETFs are the best option and it is the most popular option for starting investment. It is very important to be aware of your investment goals because unless you are aware of your investment goals, you cannot choose the best ETF plan because the best ETF plan for you is determined by your goals for investment. Even though the ETFs lower the risk of individual stocks stocks, they still have market trends as a whole because you are buying a bundle of assets, so a price of one stock may lower, but on the other hand, the bonds and the commodities may stay at a same price level. So on the average, you will not be at a loss, but still it has the potential of loss. So you should be aware of that. Okay, the next option is Robo Advisor. Now how it works. A Robo Advisor is a digital platform that helps people plan their finances and make investments using technology and algorithm, and this all is done with a little or no help from a person. Amazing. A normal robo-advisor will send you an online survey to ask about your finances and goals for the future, and it will design your investment portfolio on that basis. Popular robo-advisor trading platforms include Sarwa, Coco Invest, and Interactive Brokers. If you are especially interested in Islamic investing, then you can consider Coco Invest. If we talk about the advantages of using robo-advisor, number one advantage can be it's risk-free as it uses AI technologies, and after more than a decade of rules and checks, you can trust robo-advisor with your money. Some robo-advisors like Personal Capital even give you free tools to help you track your net worth and look for your own investments. If you want to automate your investment, Robo-Advisor is a very good option, and you can check the platforms that I have mentioned. And major benefit is that investors who want expert advice but don't want to manage their own money can hire Robo-Advisor. But there are some considerations as well. Many Robo-Advisors don't require a minimum amount, but it's still important to look at how the fees work. Fees can change, which can affect your overall profit. Understanding of Robo-Advisors algorithm is very important if you want informed decisions and ensuring transparency, which is not possible for every investor in this busy day life. That's all for today's talk about money. Give us a thumbs up if you like these tips. Don't forget that what you do with your money is more important than how much you have. Stay smart about money until the next time, and we will see you in the next videos. Take care.